Direct replacement. This windshield wiper arm is designed to match the fit and function of the original arm on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original wiper arm that has failed due to spring wear, snow damage, or metal fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This windshield wiper arm is designed to match the fit and function of the original arm on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Good units and work great for Super Duty trucks. I don't know what other reviewers were complaining about. These wiper arms work great on my Super Duty truck and they fit good and my wipers work correctly now. Nice quality units.